everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Let's challenge yourself. Question 1. Find cumulative sum or running total of revenue for each product category. This is your product table and this is expected answer table. Give it a try and submit your answer in the comment section. All the best. I will share the solution in the upcoming video. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.